December 2022. I was 22 years old and I made over 9 lakh rupees in a single month as a full-time college student. Let that sink in. Over 9 lakh rupees in a single month. That's the amount of money most people make in a year. Hello everyone, welcome back, and if you're new here, my name is Tharun, and in this video I want to show you how much money you're missing out just because you're wasting your potential, especially if you're a student in India. And I'm not here to flex, I just want to help and show you what you can do. This video has 4 parts. What were my income sources in college? What are the most lucrative skills and spaces that you can explore for the next 5 years? How can you get started as a complete beginner? And finally, a simple secret that changed everything for me. So first things first, during that month when I made over 9 lakh rupees as a student, this was my exact split. YouTube AdSense gave me around 40,000 rupees. You see, most of my videos are not monetized because I like using those funky copyrighted music. Brand promotions gave me around the boring edit. I was running a video editing agency back in college and that made it over 3.8 lakh rupees. Now we do much more than just video editing. We do entire social media marketing for brands. Brand shoots and freelancing made 2.6 lakh. Student mentorships and tutoring made 90,000. And I was also a teaching assistant at IIT Kharagpur and that paid me 12,000 rupees. That's quite a lot of sources of income, especially for a college student. But if you learn the right skills in the right order, even you can build multiple sources of income just like this. So now, what are the skills or spaces that you should explore first?
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable.
I think this is one of the most important parts of the video. So listen to me carefully for the next 2 minutes. There are 3 spaces that I'd want you to focus on for the next 5 years. Number 1, the AI tech space. This is huge, and if you can take an existing business and make it better using AI, or even build wrappers to solve real world problems, you'll make a lot of money because investors are dying to invest in these businesses. For example, one of my friends, Harish, is trying to build an app which provides AI friends for you. It's not that difficult to build, but he's actually doing great. So look out for these simple opportunities where you can use AI to solve simple problems. Got it? The second one is obviously the content creation space, where you can either build your personal brand or make content for other brands. Creators, agencies, and now a lot of legacy brands and even Indian government is trying to push content creation. So the next 5 years is going to be massive. Now the third one, if you want to make money faster, you can also consider the service industry, especially using AI to help local businesses who don't understand tech to manage their websites, apps, and the backend. There's a real gap in the market. People don't understand tech or content. And if you can bridge that gap, you can start making money pretty quickly. But the only problem that I see with the service industry, especially in India, is that the clients, they don't end up paying on time. I've personally received payments after 6 months of submitting the work. How sad is that? And if you'd start freelancing or start your own agency, handling these invoices is going to be a big pain. Some clients pay on time, some don't, and it just gets very irritating to track all of this. And I'm very sure that some of you might have never raised an invoice in your life before. But I've been using this app and it solved almost all of my problems. My client details are saved in the backend. I just type their name, add the service or product, set the payment terms, taxes are automatically calculated, and my invoice is ready in seconds. I can send this through email or as a PDF, and my clients can directly pay using card or PayPal. This tool is called Odoo Invoicing, and it can track all of your payments and send reminders so you don't miss any payments. Odoo also has 45 other apps for all of your business needs. The first app is free to use for a lifetime with unlimited users. I'll put the link in the description. Check it out. Now let's talk about the big fish. How do you even get started with making money online if you're a complete beginner? A lot of people overcomplicate the fuck out of this, but it's actually very simple to get started. Let me show you the step-by-step process. Step 1. Pick any skill. Let's say content writing. Spend 3 to 4 hours researching about what to learn using GPT. Then spend an entire week watching videos, podcasts, listening to books, or doing multiple online courses. Now use the P framework and learn all the related skills. You can also ask GPT for the list if you don't know what they are. Step 5. Once you spend around 15 days to learn a new skill, start doing assignments and practice. You'll learn a lot more while trying to do it yourself. Now, once you spend around 20 to 25 days learning a new skill, directly start applying for internships. Internships are a great way to learn anything 10x faster. I've done over 10 internships while I was in college, and honestly, they were literally a game changer. And it's not that difficult to find an internship. There are like a lot of platforms. You can also just reach out to your seniors or people on LinkedIn or even Instagram. And finally, this step 7. Thala for a reason. Give something a maximum of 6 months to learn. People say never give up. But sometimes you need to know when to give up. Back when I was in college, I was doing coding and DSA for almost a year. I also did a couple of internships, but deep down I felt that it was not something for me. So I quit it and then started exploring marketing and business roles. And eventually I landed up here making videos. Now just imagine, if I wouldn't have quit coding, I would have been doing a mediocre IT job right now. Yeah, let's go. Now comes the little secret that actually helped me a lot in my journey. You see, I made more progress in everything that I did in my life because I always made sure that I surrounded myself with people who are also doing it. And I also made sure that I find the right mentors. For example, my friends were also into coding when I was coding. And when I started content, I got into these groups of people who were also making content. And then when I started taking my agency more seriously, I got into groups of people who were also building agencies. So now whenever I got stuck, they were there for me. And whenever they got stuck, I was there for them. And that's why I say, whatever you are trying to learn or do, try to get into a circle who's also trying to do something similar. And also make sure that you find great mentors. Now here's one last thing that I want to tell you. You might be starting from a literal zero, right? From a very small town or from a very small village in some corner of the country. But if you just give yourself 6 months and if you work hard, you will definitely figure out something. Let me know in the comments below if you're actually ready to do something big before this year ends. All the best. And obviously, if you're someone interested in content, video editing and more, the next batch of the Not Just a Video Editing cohort is starting very, very soon. The link will be in the description. I'll see you inside.
Show them folks what happened when you relentless and your actions start to match the path for which you intended. Put the time in to perfect the craft. I'm the